guys, I thought I'd do a different type of video today. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick release knot. What you'll need is you'll need a hook and a lead rope. So first of all, you're going to unravel your lead rope. Like this. I'm going to pretend that I'm hot, so I'm going to hook it to me. And first you're going to wrap it through, put it through your hole. Depending on how short you want it on your heart, and I'll have it like that. Then you're going to cross it. You're going to grab this side where it's dangling. You're going to pull it over like that, like it's number 4. Then you're going to grab that, this part, and you're going to pull like so. And if you need to release it quick, just pull and do that. So that's how you do a quick release knot. Please comment, rate and subscribe.